In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Nordvpn password quickly and easily. So stick around to get all the details you need in just 5 minutes. First, you'll need to navigate to the Nordvpn website. You can do this by typing Nordvpn download into your favorite search engine or by directly entering nordvpn.com download into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the page, look for the Login option and give it a click. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. By logging in, you can access your account settings necessary for changing your password. After you've successfully logged in, turn your attention towards navigating to the Account Overview section. You'll find this area helps you manage different aspects of your Nordvpn account. Then, proceed to the Account Management section. This is where you'll be diving a little deeper into your personal account settings. Once there, you'll see an option labeled Account Details. Clicking on this will bring you one step closer to your goal of changing the password. It's essential to become familiar with this section as it contains crucial information about your Nordvpn account, including personal data, subscription details, and security settings such as your password. Next, from the Account Details, spot and click on the Password option. This area is dedicated to managing your password settings, an integral part of maintaining your online security. Clicking here is the key step to initiate the password change process. Now, you should see an option to change password. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to enter specific details. Typically, you will need to provide your current password to verify your identity, followed by entering your new desired password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Consider a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure it's robust. Remember, a good password is not just about complexity, but also something you can remember. Once you've entered your current and new password, hit Submit or the equivalent option. This will confirm the change in the system. Usually, you'll receive a notification or an email confirming that your password has been successfully updated. And there you have it. A straightforward way to change your Nordvpn password. Regularly updating your password is a smart habit for maintaining the security of your accounts. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a quick refresher on how to complete this process. Thanks for tuning in, and ensure you enjoy safe and secure browsing with Nordvpn.